This week, we're going to look at the equation of a linear function written in slope-intercept form. So what this equation looks like is this. It's y equals mx plus b. In this equation, m represents the slope of the graph, which is the steepness of the line. And b represents the y-intercept, which is where this line, or the linear function, crosses the y-axis. On this graph example, this is the y-intercept. This is where this line crosses the y-axis. So with this first problem that we're given, it says the graph of a linear function has a slope of negative 7/3 and a y-intercept 5. Write the equation for this function. So the information we're given is this. We're given the slope is negative 7/3, where the negative 7 represents the rise and the 3 represents the run. This is the steepness of the graph. We're also given that the y-intercept is equal to 5. So in this equation, this is where the function will cross the y-axis, is at 5. So if we take our formula, the slope-intercept formula, y equals m times x plus b, we can fill in this information since we know slope really represents the m value and the y-intercept really represents the b value. And x and y represent various coordinates along the function. So for example, along this graph, there's various x and y values like here, here, here. X and y are going to represent any of these. So we don't actually fill that into the equation. So y is equal to the slope, negative 7/3, and x plus 5. And this is what the equation should look like.